Welcome, new grad rebels. Congratulations on your admission to your graduate program. My name is Alyssa Crittenden, and I'm the Vice Provost for Graduate Education and the Dean of the Graduate College here at UNLV. Whether you are new to UNLV or you've been with us earning a prior degree, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to you from the entire Graduate College team. We're here to help guide you as you seek the challenge, excitement, and rewards of advanced study, and to provide the support services you need from your first day of study through graduation. We're committed to enhancing and facilitating your graduate experience and preparing you to be successful in your postgraduate career path, wherever it takes you. We're honored to welcome you into our graduate community of scholars. Rebels really do make it happen.